Hello everybody, today we make something really easy, outside and inside. We make a barbecue. First I want to do this one. I got wings with a pesto. Now this is my homemade pesto, and look why it's this, 2017, and still it's so beautiful and good. And I got over here, I got the legs, thighs, and the ingredient I put over here: rosemary, thyme, garlic, a flake hot pepper, salt, and black pepper. And I got a sausage. This is a spice hot sausage. And I got a sweet potato, and I got one garlic. Okay, now let me prepare the sweet potato. And I got a fork over here to make a little hole like this. You cook more fast inside. And it's really hard. Now the sweet potato is done, the hole I pour, and now I want to do this garlic. I like roasted garlic. It's so good for you, so you eat this, and I love it. Now I cut the top like this. Open up like that. Salt, black pepper, and for the oil I put right over here. Kind of want to mess up my board over here. Oil. Okay, and now this is done, and we put this on the side. Okay, after this you gotta go in the oven, and now we can start to do my chicken with the pesto. A chicken with the pesto we put right over here on this pot. And we fix a little bit of the chicken. Do not stay one on top of the other. I have to not cook good. Okay, I got the chicken and the sweet potato, the garlic, and you gotta go in the oven at 400 degrees. And we put both the same time. One. Okay, let's close. And now we gotta go outside for the barbecue. Okay, we started with the sausage. And the sausage, what I do, I put it right on the top. I wanted to cook really slow, the sausage. Okay. All right, now it's time to put the chicken. The thigh, legs, look how beautiful and not nice. It's it. Now this you gotta watch the no burn. Okay, let's close. That's it. Okay, I got my barbecue on. You know why? Let me pick up some of my oil baby. Hey, look at this. Hey, look at this one out over here. Yeah, this on the barbecue, it's really good. Oh, I got one red. Hey, over here. Hey, look at this other one over here. Look how big this green over here. Look at that. Hey, boy. He look like a baseball bat. Okay, I think one for me, one for Diana, Jeremy, and my wife, Ava. Okay, that's enough of this. Good. Now, let's see the sausage. You see the sausage, you got a nice color. We gotta clean up a little bit. I'm not spraying not, but you know, the little dust, it's good to take it out with a wet paper towel. Okay. Okay, now I want to cook my oil baby on a barbecue. It not take too long. We put it right over here. Look, and look at the chicken and the sausage. Okay, and this is a really good dip like this. Little salt on the top. That's it. We close it again, and we wait now when the barbecue is ready. We would like to eat outside, but you can't. There's so many mosquitoes. It bite you. Boy, it scratch. Okay, now the barbecue is ready. We turn the gas off. And we start with the sausage. And look how beautiful look this sausage. We just take the thigh. Get over here. Okay. Okay, good. Now on this I put a little salt, but this it's so hot.
You can smell it.
It's spicy. Okay, all done, and now we go inside. And after we gotta pick up something in my garden. I want to show everybody. Okay, now let's check this other chicken with the pesto. It look really good. And we put it right over here. And I got my sweet potato with the garlic. And let me close this. Why it's hot. Ooh. Okay, I got the sweet potato and the garlic. Okay. Now it's a time we gotta make a little salad. And I want to make a tomato salad. And to pick up my tomato from my garden. Okay, let's start the pick up. This one it's pretty good. Look how nice. Look how many I got over here. This one is good too. Okay, and I got one over here in the back. Look. And let's see over here. I got more. Look how beautiful. This one. And over here. All right. Now we go inside. We wash. And we make a nice salad.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo, l'arcisettuato giro d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, l'arcisettuato giro d'amor. Non più avrai questi bei panacchini, quel cappello leggero galante, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante, quel vermiglio d'onesco color, quel vermiglio d'onesco color. Non più avrai quei pennacchini, quel cappello, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante. Non chiudrai farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, l'arcisettuato giro d'amor. Delle belle.
Okay, almost done. We gotta mix this tomato salad. Put salt. Okay. Black pepper. Okay. Oil di oliva. Really good oil. Look how nice. All right. Good. Now it's time to eat. We got the chicken, the sausage, wings, baked potato, sweet potato, and we got a garlic, and my oh yeah baby hot pepper.
Wow, look at all this pot. How are we gonna eat it all?
Oh, you know what about? Wait when I start to eat. This tonight is gone.
So what is
I
it?
got so much food over here. Got look at this. I got the wings. Let me see the wings. This is with the pesto. My pesto. It melts in your mouth. Look, pesto.
I'm putting this down because I'm ready to eat. All right, I want to try. Yeah, let me try one of these too.
You know it?
No, I'm looking when you eat it.
Okay, good. No eat. Okay, after I not got an offer for me.
No, what about?
Well, more for us. Yeah, these are good. This is the homemade pesto from 2017.
Yeah.
I want some of this too. How do I get this? I'm gonna cut it in half.
2017. Have you believe it? Huh?
That's when you were 25.
Yeah, I'm not 25.
That was good.
Look, the bones nice clean. It's a good, really good.
I'm gonna mix this. These are from the garden, right?
Yeah.
Need a bigger bowl.
I want to take a nice tzatziki now. Sausage.
It's spicy.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, nice hair today.
Yeah, you like, huh?
Yeah, we hired a hairstylist.
Yeah.
Italian mafia.
Time. I'm gonna make you an offer you can't refuse, right? I'm still
Okay.
mixing.
Nice flat.
So my friend makes this hot sauce. I'm gonna try it. Wait, let me tell you real quick.
Put a little bit over here in the dish.
Let me tell you. So he made it with chocolate skunk peppers,
Skunk.
chocolate habaneros with coffee, cacao, and plums.
Yeah. It good?
I don't know. We'll see.
This is out to do. This is sausage spice. Oh.
Oh man.
Let me taste a little bit.
I don't know. I'm kind of scared.
Yeah? It's so hot? Let me taste it with the legs.
Oh, you put it? Yeah, the flavor is pretty good.
It's spicy.
It has like that sweet flavor, like the
Yeah.
plum.
But it's hot.
The sauce. With the pepper.
Yeah, it should be good.
Anyone want half of a potato?
Yeah, I can have some.
How is it? It's delicious.
But it's white inside the pepper.
The chicken is
Butter.
cooked, right?
No, no, also the potato. I was thinking that is.
Yeah, the yellow
Like
or
yellow.
orange. This is turning into a mukbang.
It was good.
That's it. You mix it, right?
Yeah. What is the potatoes?
And the sausage.
The butter melted and all that.
The potato
Oh yeah, the
good.
garlic. The
I
garlic.
want to get this out.
The potato good, David?
Yeah. Wow, it's spicy that.
Ooh.
I can't wait. It's
like
like
creamy.
butter.
Ah.
They too. Cook like one whole
The
head.
garlic? One time, you know what happened? I was did the garlic. It was good, the doctor office. And aloe vera, all the time it's full. I never pick up aloe vera, the people online. I was at the garlic. Boy, everybody disappeared. Everybody disappeared. I was by myself in aloe vera. I said, okay. Now every time I go to elevator, I eat the garlic.
You keep garlic in your pocket.
Yeah. Okay. Everything, look at the food. I started go now. I was eating nice chicken, sausage, garlic, tomato, my oye baby hot pepper. E salute cincina everybody. A salute. Really good. With the barbecue and the wine, it's a number one. Really good. Thank you very much, everybody. Enjoy my barbecue. Thank you.